The Bach, perched with breathtaking Tasman Sea views, aims to preserve its purity while sharing it with a select group of tourists and family. Nestled in an area rich with Maori history in Tasman's discovery in 1642, careful integration into the landscape was crucial. Crafted as a lookout, it seamlessly blends into the environment using weathered timber and glass, offering panoramic views of the bay. The design echoes a modern jungle treehouse vibe, employing timber, raw concrete, and touches of metal. Flexibility was paramount in the design. Serving as both a family Bach and a rentable holiday home, it caters to specific needs. The owners have a separate pavilion suite atop the site, ensuring privacy and seclusion when the home is occupied by guests.